Okay, so good morning, everyone. Today, I just decided to create this video lecture, and later on, I will be giving you your maybe second to the last performance task for this subject, personal, community, and environmental health, which is related to our last topic, or second to the last topic, which is environmental health. Last time, when we met on our MS Teams, we decided, okay, to discuss the some factors that affects environmental health, and you yourself mentioned or narrate a story about the problems that affects your environment in your community. Now, for us to, apply what we have learned from the major environmental problems that affects environment, I decided that you will be having your performance task, which is known as advocacy project. Okay, wherein you will be having your video, or you will be acting as content creator, stating your advocacies on the problems in your community about the environmental health, which is for example yung mga deforestation or desertification, loss of biodiversity, or improper waste disposal, and other factors that affects environmental problems. Okay, so yun lang. Hindi ko naman masyadong i-discuss na to because it's already in your MS Teams. You can just scan this anytime, and all the informations that was stated there are, kaya naman nating i-comprehend, i-understand yon because they are, obviously explained there and elaborated there. All you have to do is to, create your advocacy project wherein since you are 53 in your classrooms, I wanted you to group or divide the class into at least 50, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 35, 45, 50. So we have 10 groups. Okay? So for these 10 groups, there will be meron bang yung mga sobra, yung mga hindi pa na-include dito, they can just pwede lang sila maki-join sa mga other groups. Now, I will ask you if you wanted to choose your group members na lang, or just follow the arrangement of list of names. Okay, dun sa list of names na lang natin sa class record, or pipili na lang tayo. Okay, so for this performance wherein you will be acting as content creator. Okay, so I want you to state your problems there, the problems in your community when it comes to environmental problems, and how are you going to give interventions. So how are you going to persuade or convince the people in your environment to act, okay, for that kind of situations, and how to make an intervention, and of course, paano siya makakatulong, okay, the benefits of doing this or doing these actions, and how it will help the the earth, okay, the community to to solve those kinds of problems. Okay, so yun lang. It's up to you if you wanted to choose your groups, or you just have to or I'll just give you the groupings so that okay, makikita natin kung maayos ba or hindi. But by the way, I'm just asking you this time kung gusto nyo yung pipili na lang kayo ng members niyo, or maybe I can just give you the groupings para mas maayos. Okay, so I wanted you to upload your video advocacies on Facebook. Okay, you do not have to submit it to me anymore. Just have to upload it in yourself, okay, within your accounts. Then just tag me so that if I will be checking later on your performance, at least makikita ko na siya agad or nakatag na siya agad. So I can just scan my, my news feed or maybe my Facebook, and makikita ko na agad and mare-record ko na siya rin agad. Okay? So yun lang. Advocacy, think of an advocacy that you think nakakatulong ito para sa community. Okay? Okay, so yun lang, and I hope that you understand. So for the deadline of this activity should be submitted to me next week. Okay, so during our time also, which is Wednesday, which is April 15. Okay, so thank you very much for complying this one, and I hope that you will comply. Okay.